Let me try. Let me give it a try. I went for my course. He told me, these 10 days, you have to work exactly as you are asked to work. To give fair trial. To give full justice to the technique. After that, you are your own master. You are your own master. But for 10 days, you have to work exactly as you are asked to work. Yes, sir. I'll work exactly as I am asked to work because I have come here to give a trial. Before the course started, he gave me a small booklet. I went through the few pages. The first page, Buddha says, don't believe. Don't believe. Don't believe. Don't believe because your scripture says so. Don't believe because your tradition says so. Don't believe because large number of people are believing it. Don't believe because it looks logical. Don't believe. Don't believe even my words. Don't believe. What sort of teaching? I was trained that I must believe the scriptures. If I don't believe, I'll go to hell. If I believe, I go to heaven. And here he says, don't believe. Don't believe. You experience yourself. Your own experience, if you find that it is good for you and good for all others, then only believe, then only accept it. Then not just believe, then live that life so that you become a happy person and you help others to become happy. Wonderful. There is no blind belief involved, no blind faith involved. Like magnet it pulled me. Let me give a trial. At the end of 10 days, my grain was gone, morphia was gone, but they were so minor problems I realized. The main thing was I was such an ego-centered person, full of anger. Nothing should happen against my wishes. So much of ego, so much of passion. Not that in 10 days all that has gone away, but in 10 days it started diminishing. In a few days, a few weeks, a few months, the whole life pattern started changing. People started talking, the same Goenka, what has happened to him? What has happened to him? Vipassana is result oriented. No magic, no miracle. Not that the teacher has done something. Teacher only shows the path. You have to work out your own liberation. Nobody can liberate you. Come out of this madness that so and so will liberate me. Nobody can liberate you. If someone is good enough, and if someone is really liberated person, he will only show the path. And every step you have to take on the path. Nobody can take you on his shoulder and take you to the final goal of liberation. You have to work out your own liberation. You have to work out your own salvation. It became so clear. No gurudom, no exploitation of a guru. The whole technique is so clear, so clear.